First thing first, what is proper circulation and why should we worry about it? Normal. Blood circulation brings oxygen and nutrients to the cells in the body through the arteries. And the waste products are picked up by the veins and transported back to the liver, heart and lungs. If an area of the circulatory system is impaired, you could experience symptoms such as numbness and tingle in the hands and feet, swelling in the feet, ankles, or legs, memory loss, and other forms of health complications. In this video, we'll be discussing some good habits you should incorporate into your daily routine for proper blood flow. 1. Keep your body active. Keeping your body moving and in shape helps with your circulation tremendously. Whether it's playing a sport, running, doing yoga, or dancing, anything that gets your heart rate up is beneficial. And remember, a little bit of exercise is better than none at all. 2. Drink lots of water. The benefits of drinking water are huge and are beyond thirst. Staying hydrated can help improve blood flow to the organs of the body, and help replenishes energy. In general, men should consume around 131 ounces while women should consume around 95 ounces of water each day. Also, be sure to spread out your fluid intake throughout the day. This way, your body can steadily process your intake, rather than be stressed by it. 3. Add garlic to your meals. Garlic is believed to cause improvements in blood flow. In a 3-month study on patients with coronary artery disease, researchers found that regular consumption of garlic may improve endothelial function, helping to relax arteries and increase blood flow throughout the body.